Using Lennar and Open Door Trade Up is so easy.
Through Open Door, we got the equity and we used it as down payment for the new Lennar house.
I don't know anything about Open Door until I saw the big truck in front of the Trabados.
She was wondering where we were moving and we told her.
And then to Open Door, I got a very good offer and an offer that I can't refuse.
And now we're neighbors. It's nice to have familiar faces again.
Buying a new home and selling to Open Door made my life easier.
We agreed upon the price with Open Door and they had it ready. I just had to decide on when to close the deal.
If I knew about this beautiful Lennar home years ago, I would have bought it.
We love it. Just put it that way.